In this video, I will show some advanced capabilities of our unit and some debugging options that we can use to figure out what's going on with the device. So um, this unit can be connected. This is a standard micro USB connector, and this micro USB connector can be connected to a PC, um, and then we can connect to the device and see what's going on with its brain. So to do that, we need to check the connection. So when we connect that to our PC, it should install a USB serial COM port. In this case, on my PC, it's COM6, and then we can use that with any open source free software um, to connect to the serial port and see what's going on inside the device. So I'm using Putty. So, and then we need to select serial and COM6 and the speed of the device is 11, is this one. And then we open Putty, we can resize that so we can see what's going on. And then, so for now, the device is already, it's like in waiting mode, so nothing happens. So what I would do is I would click on the reset button, which will restart the device. So we can see what's going on during the boot process and after. So I click on that. And then the device was reboot. And we can see we set the input and output pin. We found the LCD that is connected. We can see the configuration that we have for the device and the software version. And then we can also see some valuable information such as the IP address that the device got. We can also see that, of course, on the screen. Um, and the MAC address and the DNS name um, if we want to serve to the device using DNS instead of um, an IP address. We can also see that during the boot, it failed to call home. Call home is the process that is checking for a new firmware device. So we will just do that manually. So I'm going to click, I'm going to do a short click on the configuration button. And then you can see that if I release, the device is trying to see if we have any updates. And you can see that we don't have any updates. Again, longer click would show release for config mode. So that's a short click. If I release, it would check for update. And then if I release now, the device would um, reload, restart, and then go directly into configuration mode. So once it would finish in a few seconds, and you can see now we are in configuration mode. Finally, let's go here and exit configuration mode. So I want to exit the configuration mode. And you can see that the device again is starting and goes into STA mode, standard STA mode. And that's really it. Thank you.